people who commented my previous car vlog, and thank you Senthil, Manoj and Sailesh for your support and commenting in my previous video. Actually, I'm going to meet my friends. Actually, my friend is fixing a new horn in his car, so I'm going there. Actually, I have also plans to fix a new horn for my car. Okay, I'll go there and I will check the car horn, and then if it okay for me, I will also fix it for my car. Let's see. If you are watching my video is first time and new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. This is the second time I'm vlogging in my car. Happy Independence Day to everyone. And one more thing, please comment me below how this video is and all. And in my previous first car vlog, if you didn't watch that video, I'll give the link in the description. Please check it and watch. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And the horn which my friend changed this is a Moco horn. It is a trumpet horn. I'll give you the link in the below description. If you like the horn sound, please try it for your vehicles. Still I am searching for some other horn which will give more sound compared to this. So I will search it and I will fix it in future. Right now I have to give my car for service. So mostly my next vlog will be the car service video. And if you guys know any best horn for the car, please comment me below. I will check that horn, and if you like that one, I will try for my car. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye.